Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to see some practice numericals based on chapter number 1, that is gravitation. Assuming that the earth performs uniform circular motion around the sun, find the centripetal acceleration of the earth. Speed of the earth is given, that is 3 into 10 raised to 4 meter per second. Distance between the earth and the sun is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meter. Now first of all we are going to write given things. V is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 4 meter per second. R is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meter. We know that centripetal force is equal to mv square upon r. That is equal to capital F is equal to mv square upon r. But capital F, that is force, is equal to mass into acceleration, that we know. So therefore instead of here in this formula, instead of F we will write m into a. Therefore m into a is equal to mv square upon r. So here left hand side is m and right hand side is m, it will cancel. So we will get a is equal to v square upon r. Therefore centripetal acceleration, that is a is equal to v square upon r. Now we will put here respective values of speed of the earth and distance between the earth and the sun. That is 3 into 10 raised to 4 bracket square upon 1.5 into 10 raised to 11. So 3 into 3, because here bracket square is there, and 10 raised to 4 square will come 10 raised to 8 upon 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 as it is. After this we will solve 3 into 3 upon 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 minus 11. Here this 10 raised to 11 was on denominator and 10 raised to 8 was on numerator. So when this denominators 10 raised to 11 will come to numerator, it will become negative. So here 3 into 3 upon 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 means here 8 minus 11, it will be minus 3, 10 raised to minus 3. So here 1.5 will divide to 3, that is 1.5 2s are 3. So here answer came 2. So here what is remaining, children? Now 2 into 3 into 10 raised to minus 3. 2 3s are 6, that is equal to 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter per second square. So therefore a is equal to, that is small a is equal to 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter per second square. So in word we can write this answer like this: centripetal acceleration of the earth is equal to 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter per second square. Now we are going to see second practice example. Find the magnitude of the acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the earth. Here mass of the earth is given 6 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram. Radius of the earth is given 6400 kilogram. So here we will write first of all given things, that is mass of the earth is equal to 6 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram. Radius of the earth is equal to 6400 kilogram, that is kilometer. Then here this kilometer will convert it into meter. So how to convert this kilometer it into meter, we will see. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So here 6400 kilometer is equal to 6400 into 1000. So this multiplication will come here 64 and whatever zeros are there. So it will be 64 into 10 raised to 5. But here we have to convert this into 6.4. So what I am doing here, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 10. So 64 upon 10 into 10 into 10 raised to 5. So here 10 raised to 5 will become 10 raised to 6. And 64 upon 10 means for children? That is 6.4 only. Now here this kilometer we converted into meter. Now here capital G is given, that is universal gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. So here we have to calculate acceleration due to gravity or gravitational acceleration, that is small g is equal to question mark. But we know formula for acceleration due to gravity, that is small g is equal to capital G into m upon r square. Now here we will put respective values of universal gravitational constant, then mass of the earth and radius of the earth with their square. Now after putting all this value, we are getting 6.67 into 6 into 10 raised to 13. Here 10 raised to minus 11 into 10 raised to 24, it becomes 10 raised to 13. Upon 6.4 into 6.4 into 10 raised to 12. Means here 10 raised to 6 will become 10 raised to 12. That is equal to 6.67 into 6 upon 6.4 into 6.4 into this 10 raised to 12 is to denominator. When it will come to numerator, it will become negative. So 10 raised to 13 minus 10 raised to 12 will become only 10. And we will do here this numerator's multiplication and denominator's multiplication in case of this working column. So this multiplication to numerator is coming 40.02. And to denominator it is coming 40.96 into 10. Now this 10 will multiply to numerator, it will becomes 400.2 upon 40.96. So instead of this 40.96, we will write 41. So therefore it will becomes G is equal to 9.76 meter per second square. How this value came, children? For this we are going to see in case of this working column, that is 400.20. That is, it will divide to this figure can be divided by 41. So this division is coming 9.76. For this division, here I made table of 41. So you can see this table and we are getting here answer 9.76 meter per second square. Therefore in word we can write the answer. The magnitude of the acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the earth is equal to 9.76 meter per second square.